I'm excited for the women's season. I think the expectation is very high for us this year. We brought back a big majority of the team, and we added a freshman class that I'm very excited about that it should come in and help us out right away. So, you know, I think the sky's the limit for this team. It's going to depend on how hard they come in and work and how well they believe that they can win. I think that's a big part of it. You got to start off with our All-American and Devin Kennifer and our co-captain. I think she's a very talented player to go along with a very talented senior class. We have 3 other seniors in that class: Lizzie Abbott, Monica Zarensky, and Shannon Purcell, our other co-captain. I mean, that class, they came in as freshmen, and I remember watching from the West Coast of them coming in and was like, wow, that's a pretty talented class. And I think they have high expectations for themselves and what they can do for this program. And they're very excited, as I am, to see this thing get started here in January. Shannon's done a great job as a leader on this team, and you know, she's our point guard on our 6-on-5. You know, she runs that 6 position. She makes the decisions, and she does a great job. You know, she's got good speed, and she shoots the ball real well. So, you know, Shannon does a really good job in the pool for us. So, you know, it's going to be fun to watch those captains lead this group. I think that's the great thing about the freshmen we brought in, because we have such a talented senior class. There's no pressure on our freshmen this year. They can come in and just be themselves and really get acclimated to what we're trying to accomplish in the pool and the system that we run. They don't have to come in and be superstars. You know, the seniors are going to take care of that. So I think I'm excited to see how our freshmen grow and see them get better as the year goes on. And I know they're going to do great things for us, but they don't have that pressure coming in. I'm excited for March 2nd. San Jose State is coming across the country. That's my alma mater, and the coaching staff are good friends of mine, and I'm excited for them to come out to Boston and play us. You know, and that's going to be a great tournament with league games that weekend. I'm really excited for our California trip. It'll be the first time in 5 years that our women's team has traveled to Southern California. We're playing some great teams in UC Irvine, Long Beach State, Whittier, UC Santa Barbara. You know, it's going to be a great schedule against some top caliber teams. And then, you know, there's 2 Princeton trips in there. It's always fun to go to Princeton and play at Princeton. They put on a great tournament. So I'm really excited for our schedule this year.